What is up, guys? Today I want to make a super quick video for you. I had some people ask me about how do you do weird shaped like HydroFlask looking bottles. How do you mount them? And if you remember this video, my last video where I made this contraption here, if you hadn't seen it, go click the card right here. Mounting everything on the footballs is good, most of the stuff, but sometimes you got an oddball like this guy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. For this you're going to need a pool noodle and that PVC pipe like we made the regular things out of. Same stuff, same pipe. Just you'll need a longer one, that's all. I'll show you that in a minute. So you got these two sizes. What was that? Get out of here. Two sizes, the fatty and the skinny. This one you're going to be using this one because of the shape of the mouth opening, which seems to be like, I don't even know if I've used this fat guy for anything, but you know, get out of here. We're going to be using this one, and I'll show you how to measure. Like this is one I already had, I've used several times, and as you can see, it's a little short for this one. I like for it to go all the way to the bottom, and I like for it to stick out about yay so, maybe a little longer. Because if it goes in here, good luck getting it out. So once you've got this cut to the right size, don't put the sticky thingy in there yet. Don't do that yet. First, you got to get it in the hole, which can be tough, and there's some tricks and certain ways that you hold your mouth to do it. I'm just kidding. No, but really, it's tough, but that's what you want. So the best way is to hold and twist. Let go, twist. Listen, don't work yourself to death. Use your brain, people. Make stuff easier. I almost got it. I'm going to make this one go. I don't have any more of this size, so I'm going to use this and make it work. It goes far enough, and that's about good. The next part is measuring this and cutting it so that your thing fits right about there. Because if you mount it on the regular 15-inch one that we cut for the footballs, it's going to be like in here and it won't work. It'll be way too short. So what you want to do is take and put this in there where it's supposed to go. Then you grab your doohickey, cuppy, put it about, don't shove it up here. You got to have room to work, and you don't want it to, yeah, just trust me. So move it down a little bit. Grab ye old, focus, universal permanent marker. I don't have to, it doesn't have to be that. Grab your cup, put it where you want it, and back it up, Terry. Make a line. I've already made one right there. So that'll be good. That'll be just right. Once you have your line marked, take it out. Find your little line. Where'd you go? There you are. Grab your cutter thingies. All this stuff is on my Amazon store. Link in the description. And then you just cut. This thing's going to fall. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. Or if you don't care, I don't care. Might have to use two hands. It's awkward holding the camera and holding two hands doing this. Wait a minute, what? Huh? You just realized. Who's holding the camera? I am. I'm talented. I'm just talking while I'm trying to cut this. There we go. Oh, like butter now. Oh, such a odd angle. But, you know. There you go. Now, you might be wondering, oh, I can't get that in. You can, but you don't have to. You can twist it in, or you can pull this out a little bit, put that in there, and it goes in so much easier. The rest of it's up to you. I like to run a piece of tape around here, and then as I epoxy, I treat it like I have a silver band that I'm leaving. I'll run a piece of tape on this foam because I don't want any alcohol ink or anything to eat it, because I want it to be solid. And as you can see, it's on there. It is holding up. It's not sagging. This is a heavy item. That's pretty good. I've seen some people where it's like hanging out here. That is not what you want. This is the best way to do it, as to my knowledge right now. Put a piece of tape around here. Put two pieces. I'm going to tell you why. The first one you're going to epoxy. Wait 50 minutes. Pull that piece of tape off, the first piece. When you do your second layer, if you're doing two without taking it off, you'll want to put two pieces of tape to get ready for that. Do your second layer, 50 minutes later, pull it off. Let it sit till the next day. Vada bing, you're done. Hey, there you go. So that's the end of this video. If you like this, check out my other videos. links in the cards, all kinds of cool stuff. You can be making something beautiful. It's not that complicated. Don't make it hard. Just create something beautiful. Share it with people. Oh, these stainless steel things are dirty. If you want to know how to prep this, click the link on the card for this video right here, how to prep bare metal. Don't just throw paint on this. You got to prep it. As you can see, I've sanded it already. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.